Give your body just 10 gentle minutes today. Move with calm, burn belly fat, slow the effects of aging, and feel stronger, lighter, and more energized from within. Exercise 1. Overhead cross sweep. Cross your arms overhead. Extend one heel forward as your arms lower. Then return and repeat, improving shoulder mobility, balance, and smooth weight control. Three, two, one. Next, exercise 2. Tai Chi Sky and Earth Reach. Shift into a wide stance. Alternate one hand overhead and one downward, then flow to the other side, improving spinal mobility, hip flexibility, and coordinated body rotation. Three, two, one. Next, exercise 3. Single leg heel curl balance. Stand tall. Curl one heel toward your hip while balancing on the other leg. Then alternate sides, strengthening ankle stability, leg control, and confident balance. Three, two, one. Next, exercise 4. Overhead arm circle stretch. Cross your arms in front, lift them overhead, then open wide as you lower, improving shoulder mobility, chest flexibility, and healthy upper body posture. Three, two, one. Next, exercise 5. Side toe tap with open arms. Tap one toe gently to the side as your arms open wide. Return to center, then alternate sides, improving hip mobility, lateral stability, and smooth movement control. 3, 2, 1. Next, exercise 6, rising horse stance stretch. Sink into a gentle horse stance. Lift your arms from waist to overhead, then stand tall, strengthening the legs, improving shoulder reach, and enhancing full body extension. Three, 2, 1. Next, exercise 7, alternating knee lift balance. Lift one knee to hip height with steady control, lower smoothly, then alternate sides, strengthening the hip flexors, improving core stability, and enhancing single leg balance. Three, 2, 1. Next, exercise 8, cross-step torso twist. Cross one foot behind as you rotate your torso with relaxed arms. Then return and switch sides, improving spinal rotation, coordination, and smooth weight shifting. Three, 2, 1. Next, exercise 9, overhead reach into horse stance. Reach both hands overhead, lower into a gentle horse stance with controlled arms, then rise smoothly, strengthening the thighs, improving knee stability, and promoting better lower body endurance. Three, 2, 1. Next, exercise 10, alternating toe tap with cross body swing. Lightly tap one toe while swinging both arms across to the opposite side. Then alternate smoothly, improving rhythmic coordination, ankle mobility, and dynamic balance. Excellent work today. Every session brings you closer to a stronger, healthier, and more youthful body. Thank you for practicing with us. Keep moving, stay consistent, and we'll see you in the next Tai Chi session.